2, 1.
Hey everyone, welcome to day 8 of the 12 Days of Fitmas. Today we're returning to lower body focused exercises. So the first one we have is the lunge. So for this one, we're going to have our front leg out, bent 90 degrees, and we're going to take our other leg and we're going to sink down to the ground until our knee touches the ground, and the goal is to have both legs bent to about 90 degrees and then return back to standing, and you can alternate those. Our next one is going to be the plie squat. So this is a slightly variation on the squat that we've been doing for a couple days now. So for this one, we're going to have our legs slightly wider apart than shoulder width. We're going to have our toes pointed more out from our body. And for this one, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to bend down as far as you can or until 90 degrees and then back up. For our next one, we have the glute bridge. I recommend, if you have a mat, to use that, or if you have a carpeted area in your house. For that one, we're going to be on our back. Our knees are going to be bent in front of us. You can have your arms down to your side, and you're just going to lift your hips up off the ground until your legs and back, or until your hips leave the ground and your legs and body straighten out, and then return back. For our next exercise, we have the side laying leg lift. So for this one, I'd recommend staying on the carpeted or matted area. For this one, we're just going to hold ourselves up here on our elbow. We're going to take our leg on top, and we're just going to raise it up into the air and back down. Our next one is the adductor leg raise. So we'll start in a similar position, except we're going to take our top leg, we're going to bring it out in front of us and place it on the ground, and we're going to take our leg that's on the ground, lifting it up into the air and back down. Our final exercise is going to be a tibialis raise, or a toe raise. For this one, I'd recommend having a wall here behind you, feet slightly out in front of the wall. And for this one, we're just going to lift our toes up off the ground, just like that.